It is hot and nasty as butt outside.
Give it up, gonna be alright, gonna be. Give it up, gonna be alright. Give it up, gonna be alright.
So this is what I'm gonna try today. I've never had my nails be this long, and it's literally all thanks to her. I mean, like, my nails have always been super short, but because coming here to her and always getting my nails done, like, look how long they've become. I mean, if they were even longer, but obviously, like, she cut them right now. But wow. Today I'm going on a little picnic with my friend Janet, but I need to go to the gym and I also need to clean my apartment because it's just been so messy. Yesterday I just cleaned this little area, but I want to clean the whole thing, so let's see what we can do. I feel like, I don't know if you're one of those people, but I work best under pressure. Under pressure. So I got my jams going on and we're gonna Speedy Gonzalez this shit. Alright, bye. Okay, here's today's look. Chanclas with socks. Oh, I'm filming here. Yo. All right.
Yeah, it's like a liter, maybe more.
That's great. I also brought some ice.
I have an umbrella just in case.
Okay.
Oh, you brought ice?
Yeah. Thanks for bringing it. Oh. Ooh, where'd you come from?
They were gone, now they're here. Okay.
Okay, little bird. The second pour.
It's probably gonna be easier to pour now. Yes. Oh, chunky.
No, little guy, wrong way.